Now, question number 5. They are saying in question number 5, evaluate. I have to evaluate things over here, right? Now, for before doing evaluation, they are going to give us some values, okay? And you don't have to remember those values. The table which we have done, in which we were putting values, you are not supposed to memorize that value, okay? Sine 30 equals to 1 over 2 equals to cos 60 degree. That will be given in your exam. Okay, these values will be given in your exam. So you don't have to worry, okay, do I have to memorize it? No, you don't have to memorize it. Sine 45 degree is 1 over under root 2, and that is also equals to cos 45 degree. Okay. Then we are going to have sine 60 degree, and sine 60 degree will be under root 3 over 2, and that is also cos 30 degree. Then sine 0 degree equals to 0, that is equals to cos 90 degree, and sine 90 degree equals to 1, that is cos 0 degree. The values which are needed, I have written it on board, okay, and these values will be given in exam to you guys, so you don't have to worry, okay, do I have to remember these things? No, you don't have to remember those ones, okay. Tangent values are also there, right? So tangent, okay, I will write tangent value also, but right now I don't need it, so I'm not writing it, okay. So question number 1, 5A. They are telling us to evaluate without using any calculator. So we are not supposed to use any calculator. So question number 1 is saying that sine 45 cos 30 degree plus sine 60 degree. They are telling us to evaluate this one. Okay, so quite simple. Sine 45 value is given, cos 30 degree is also given, and sine 60 degree is also given over here. So what I have to do, just I have to plot the values over here. I don't have to do any simplification. But if you want to do the simplification, you can. What will be the simplification done? You can shift cos 30 degree into sine 60 degree if you want to. Otherwise, directly write the values. Okay, so I'm shifting it over here, but again I'm telling you, it's completely your choice. Either you want to shift it in sine or not. Okay, so sine 45, the value is 1 over under root 2, but your calculator will show under root 2 upon 2. Okay, because it is rationalized. Sine 60 degree is coming under root 3 over 2. Sine 60 degree is coming under root 3 over 2, under root 3 over 2. Okay, so when I will simplify it further, under root 2 over 2, bases are same, denominators are same, so numerator will be added. Under root 3 plus under root 3 will become 2 under root 3 over 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So under root 2 over 2 divided by under root 3, simplifying it, under root 2 over 2 under root 3, you can leave your answer over here, or you can rationalize it also if you want to. It's completely your choice. If you want to rationalize it, you can rationalize this thing. Otherwise, you can leave it like that. If you will rationalize it, the answer will become under root 6 over 6. That will be your answer when you are going to rationalize it. That was A part. Okay. So, of course, A part is not making so much of a sense कि okay, what is happening, okay, when they are not allowing us the calculator also, and they have given us some values also. So what's the main concept against this question? So that will be clear when I'm going to solve question number 5C. Now in 5C the question is saying sine 65 degree over cos 25 degree. Okay, sine 65 degree over cos 25 degree. So now I have got this one, sine 65 over cos 25. Problem is that I can't use calculator. Then how will I get the value? Okay, so now see 65 plus 25. 65 plus 25, the answer will be 90 degree. Okay, if I will add 65 plus 25, answer is coming 90 degree. It means what? It means these two angles are complementary angles to each other because they are adding up to 90 degree. So it means if I come over here, I can either use this one or I can either use this one to get my result. Okay, so let's convert it. Sine 65, I am keeping it like that. This is what? 25. So can I write it like this? Cos 90 minus 65. Because 90 minus 65, the result will be 25. Okay, when I subtract 90 minus 65, the result will be 25. And cos 90 minus 65, cos 90 minus A, the result will be sin A. Okay, so what I can do over here, sin 65 will remain as it is, over cos 90 minus 65, that will become also sin 65, sin 65 over sin 65, and my final answer is 1 without solving or without using any calculator over here. Okay, now the same question I can do by changing this one also. How? Sin 65 is written. Okay, and the sum of these two is coming 90. So I can write this one as sin 90 minus 25 over cos 65. Okay, so 90 minus 25 will be 65. Simplified. Okay, and sin 90 minus A will be equals to cos A. So when I will simplify it, sin 90 minus A will become cos 25, okay, and cos 25 in the denominator also cancelled. Answer will be 1. So either you are shifting this one or this one, result will be same in this scenario. Okay, now I'm writing some values. Tan 0 equals to 0, tan 30 degree equals to 1 over under root 3, tan 45 degree equals to 1, tan 60 degree equals to under root 3, and tan 90 degree equals to 1 over 0, which will be undefined. Okay, these are some values which we have got. Now I'm going to solve question number 5b. In question number 5b, they are saying 1045 plus 1030, 1060. They are saying to evaluate this one. Okay, so what will I do? 1045, the value is 1. 1030 degree, value is 1 over under root 3, and 1060 degree, value is under root 3. So simplifying it, under root 3 cancel, 1 plus 1 equals to 2. That's your final answer for B part, direct value, and I have got this result. Okay, so no changes over here. Now, question number 5b. Question number 5b, they are saying 1075 degree into 1015 degree. I have to evaluate this one. No value is given to me. So now we have to be like using those things, using these ones to get my answer. Okay. So how will I get it? See, 1075 into 1015. First of all, 75 plus 15, the result is coming 90. Okay. So what will I do? It means I can use this one or I can use this one. First thing first, shifting this one or this one in 90 form. So if I will do this one, how will I write it? 10, 90 minus 15. So 90 minus 15, I will have 75 into 1015. So 1090 minus 15, 1090 minus 8 will be equals to 1 over 10a. So what is this written? 1090 minus 15. So how will I write it? 1 over 10, 15 into 1015. Okay, 1015 and 1015 will be cancelled. The result will be 1. Or I can convert this one also. What was the question given? The question was 1075 into 1015. Okay, so keeping 1075 just like that, 1015 will be 90 minus 75. Okay, 90 minus 75. I have got this will be transferred like this. So 1075 into whatever is getting subtracted, that will be written in the reciprocal with tangent. So whatever is subtracted, 1 over 1075, cancellation, answer will be 1. Whichever you will convert, answer will remain same. Okay, that's the usage of this relation to solve our answers.